So fucking stormy, no rain yet. Oh, fuck. Oh, man. Holy shit. Of course there's gonna be a goddamn severe storm. I mean, yeah, it's me, Tylnorton or Tylnorton. Either way. Oh, man. I might step out for a second, but I have to go back inside, because, yep, it's, I know, there's lightning right over there. I'm not going outside. It's very risky, unless I see a poor little puppy out there, then I'd have to go and save him, of course. But there's a storm to it this way, and then there's one up there, and then I saw maybe one up there. But I don't over there, because that's where I see most of the lightning. I hope my dad or somebody comes. Don't know how it's like out on the river, Merrimack River, on the boat. Yeah. Oh, fuck. You okay? Don't be scared! Oh boy. Just trying to put a goddamn little hand out, because there's no way a lightning would strike right over there. It's just... yeah, it's too dangerous. It's just like absolutely close. I feel like it's gonna strike this tree right there. And if it does, and I get on YouTube, guess what? I'd get a goddamn million views of it. Of course, those fucking bird. Stupid bird! Should we can a little bit concerned right there. It's kind of dark right up ahead of us. This is the worst lightning I've had so far this year in 2014. Never been this worse yet. Just like all over there. See goddamn sun. It's right there. Pretty sure if I took a step outside, I'd be dead. Ooh. It's just right there too. One of the worst thunderstorms I've ever experienced. Well, fuck, well. One of the worst thunderstorm experiences I've ever experienced is back in 2011. And what happened was, obviously, just like big lightning bolt right there, like several different times. But last year it happened too, but 2011 had very harsh thunders too. But on the 4th of July, well, today's July 3rd, but July 4th, 3 years ago, 2011, what happened was, like, I was at a party, and, like, every lightning, we didn't really see bolts, like, their bolts, but, like, flashes. Every time there was a flash, thunder would be pretty damn loud. It was just like, sounded like some kind of retarded drummer playing a drum or something. But I'm glad, oh man, I could have run over there to save the dog that was at the house, but looked like somebody saved them. Oh man. Yeah, that cloud is just coming this way. The eastern, it's east this way, so it might be coming this way a little bit. When it does get too close, I have to go back inside, and maybe I'll get a little bit more. Because can tell the cloud right there is moving pretty quick. Might as well want to sit down on here, but it's a little bit raining. Fuck the rain, man. If I had a GoPro or something, my brother's, but I don't want to because I don't feel like using it. I could put it right there, on the right. No, put it maybe right here. Add it a little bit, put the light off right there. But I wouldn't rather do it because it's just a little bit damn close. Yeah, very close. Put right down the. Yeah, what do you call it? Yeah. Field, whatever. I really honestly don't know what the closest lightning bolt I've ever been with. If it gets in this video, I'll let you know. But yeah. This is absolutely going on YouTube. Man, oh yeah, last year in North Conway in New Hampshire, I went camping and there was lightning and the thunder was damn loud and woke me up. And I was not scared but shocked because the fact that I was outside in the tent and I thought the lightning could have struck the tree because it's very possible. Hell. What the fuck? Is it hell? I don't even know what the hell this is. Two fucking big drops. Whoa, shit. Ah! I'm definitely posting that on YouTube. Bam! That was fucking loud, yo! Mommy, daddy! Ah, shit! I honestly don't know if it's too close or not. I know a lot of people got struck by lightning, but they were okay. But I don't know if the position I'm in is pretty damn bad, because a lot of storm there, but some lightning starting right over there too, I just saw. Oh my god, man, this is gonna be the craziest piece of shit I've ever been in. Is this World War II? Yeah, I'm about to go inside. I would definitely not go in. Downpouring over there, but not really here. But when you see downpouring, you're obviously not going to want to be out here. Yeah, it's pretty damn crazy. Downpouring alright. Ah, fuck! Water! Fucking rain. Damn it. Alright.